Some mornings, you don't need much of a reason to go. You just need the right boat pointed at open water. The Regal 50 SAV is that boat. Built by Regal Boats in Leesburg, Florida. 50-plus years building platforms that stay out longer than they sit at the dock. The 50 SAV is their flagship. You feel it the moment it leaves the marina. 600s deliver 1,800 horsepower through a deep V hull engineered for offshore. 18-degree deadrise, Seakeeper stabilization. This boat was built to push past the inlet and keep going. You're in open water before most people decide where they're headed. The power platform drops flush with the waterline on command. Dual terrace doors open the entire cockpit to the water. 1 minute you're underway. The next, the water is 3 steps away. Drop in, dive down. The boat meets you there. The Refreshment island anchors the aft deck. Marble surfaces, integrated sink, everything you need for the long afternoon stop. 22 rod holders when the rods go up. Power shade overhead when the sun gets serious. FLIR night vision when the run home goes late. Regal's Livepower system runs everything off the 3 outboards. No generator, no noise. There's a king stateroom and a full salon below, but you probably won't see much of it on a good day. The cockpit is where you live on this boat. The swim platform is always 3 steps away. The Regal 50 SAV is a serious offshore platform that shows up every time you point it at open water. For full specs and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.